So we're now about 30 seconds away from close, and guys, the entire stock market is exploding, and Nvidia stock is up almost 3%. So we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and overall where I see Nvidia going in the short term. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks for a moo. It's free money once you open up your account and fund it with at least, there goes the bell, guys, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. Fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, cheers to that, because that's the best deal on the market right now. So use the link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the markets just closed and we had Nvidia go up officially 2.85% on the day, as all of the indexes ripped, guys. We had the Russell up 1.9%. We had the S&P up, let's see here, guys, 1.2%. You guys can see SPY broke out heading into close, which is really good. And Triple Q went up 1.3%. It also broke out heading into close, as the Dow went up over 1%. Pretty good day, very good day for that matter, across the board. And mind you, guys, it's election day, which, yeah, I didn't think that we were necessarily going to have this good of a green day on election day. But here we are, man, all across the board green, and the VIX went down almost 7%, and the metals even went up, right? The safe haven assets, gold and silver, they both did very well today. So guys, Nvidia is pushing $140 per share yet again. Here we are, right? And earlier in the day, it looks like we actually broke over 140, then we pulled down a little bit. But like I said, we broke out into closing just about exactly 7 cents under $140 per share. And now on the 5-day, 5-minute, it's pretty clear that we are starting to reverse. We are breaking out of both moving averages. We have a golden cross on this time frame, and we broke out slightly above the highs from a couple days ago. That might have been on Friday, right? Yeah, Friday after the bell, Nvidia ran to about 139.80, and we broke out of that earlier today as we broke over $140 per share. So that's a very good sign. We're making higher highs, higher lows over the last 3 days of trading here. You guys see it very clearly. And again, we're making these higher highs. So we're starting to reverse on the 5-day, 5-minute, and on the 20-day, 1-hour chart. Excuse me, guys. We can see we're starting to break out of the moving averages as well. And we actually closed above both of them, which is good news for the bulls. We can see that pretty clearly right here. And on the 4-hour chart, give me a second here, guys, we can see that Nvidia is confirming a bounce now above the 180 moving average. Clearly, the uptrend is holding here. We held a higher low, and now we're breaking out above the 50 SMA, and we closed above it as well. So in my eyes, I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is no doubt, I don't know for sure, it's not guaranteed obviously, but it looks like 145 could be coming, and this could be the break that we need to see for us to get that Santa Claus rally and maybe a push to $150, $150 a share before the end of the year, right? This is the trend that we're going to need to break out of for that to happen. You guys can see clearly we're in this downtrend still, quote unquote downtrend, not a overall downtrend, but in the very short term, we are making lower highs. But if we get out of there, man, 140, 141, this could really be setting us up for that breakout heading into the end of the year, which I am still standing on it. I've been saying it before. It's not necessarily happening yet, but I do think we are going to make that big push Santa Claus rally, whatever you want to call it, $150 per share. I think we will make that push before the end of the year. So what do you guys think about that? I'm actually very curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And by the way, we're actually now testing a very big spot of resistance at $140, which was the old all-time high, 140, 141. We hit this back in June, about 5 months ago now, man. Crazy how time's flying. It's already November, it's holiday season pretty much now. We're getting into Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that good stuff. So it's crazy, man. June was 6 months ago, and it pretty much took Nvidia 5 months to get back to all-time highs after hitting it in June, right? So I think if we break out of 141, I think we'll see a lot more upside. And again, I think we'll get that Santa Claus rally. I think we're going to get it regardless, but we have to wait for the breakout. And earnings, by the way, are coming up in about 2 weeks. And yeah, that's going to have a big impact on the stock price, obviously. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let me actually break down some other stocks here. But first, guys, don't forget to sign up to the email list. It's free. I'm sending you all my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your inbox. Just put your first name and your email using that link in the description box, and I promise there's no spam, no BS, just straight up value, and it's free. So check out the email list in the description box down below. So this is interesting. We're in interesting times. The election is right now, and a lot of stocks are moving like crazy. Some of these include, I guess, in the same space as Nvidia, we have Intel moving about 3.5%. Pretty decent move in Intel. We have Micron up 3.7%. Micron's fighting to break out yet again. Looks like we are holding a higher low right here on Micron. You guys see that, and we're pushing over both moving averages now on the 4-hour chart. So maybe some more momentum could be coming right around the corner here on Micron, ticker symbol MU. So watch out for that one. Let's see what else went green today, guys. A lot of green out there, obviously. Tesla, 3.5% green day today, which we covered this, I think, over the weekend. It might have been on Saturday. Either way, we covered it. We talked about the higher lows being made into the clear resistance at 270, which is an ascending triangle. That's pretty much what this pattern is here. So if Tesla can break out, which it already kind of is now, up 3.5% on the day, we broke out of both moving averages today. Now that we're, starting to reverse out of this little downtrend on the 10-day, 30-minute, you guys notice that? We're breaking out of the moving averages. We have a golden cross. Now that we're getting this could be setting us up for a move, dare I say, back to 260, 270, maybe even higher. This looks really good overall for more upside. And we also have, what is this, guys? An inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this right here? Left shoulder, got the head right here, boom. Got the right shoulder right here. So there could be more upside. I'm telling you guys, all signs are pointing to more upside on TSLA here. Now, is it guaranteed? No. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, yada, yada, yada. But the charts do look good as of right now. One more stock. We'll do one more. Crowdstrike, CRWD, bounced back nicely today. 3% green day. Looks like we're holding the uptrend. We're still breaking out. And we're one step away, in my eyes, from fully breaking out. Look at this. If I clear the drawing set and get the channel tool out, you guys see right here, we can see we're still technically in this little mini downtrend. We have been for about 3 weeks. But if Crowdstrike can get out of 310, man, it's going to start breaking out, in my opinion, back to 320, 325, dare I say even higher. So keep your eyes on Crowdstrike. I'm in it. I'm long. I started buying in the low mid 200s. I haven't bought since, to be honest, but I'm holding on tight and I'm waiting for this break. This could be an awesome trading opportunity, in my opinion. So I'm going to set my alert at $310 per share. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm building my private portfolio. I'm putting in money every week. I'm buying stocks. And you guys get to see how I build out a real money portfolio, the performance, full transparency, all of that good stuff. Plus, there's a Discord. I also post my charts and ideas throughout the week on Patreon. All of that is linked down below, guys, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.